Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Mara Clara Pasay and one of the member of Group 3 and the second reporter as well. So I am assigned to discuss what brand is in basic marketing. So our objective here is after my discussion, can able to clearly define what brand represents, including the values, the missions, the visions, and the unique selling propositions. So, what is brand? In basic marketing, brand is defined as the process through which a business establishes itself from competitors. It involves creating a unique identity that is easily recognizable by the public. So, ang brand is, ito yung process, ito yung pagproproseso kung saan mas nakikinala o nagbibigay pagkakinala ng iyong company at mas nare-recognize siya sa public or mas nakikilala siya from your competitors. So, therefore, key steps to build the brand effectively. So, first is define your company's identity. So, determining what's your company stands and for and what its purpose. So, malalaman kung ano yung purpose ng company mo. Highlight your target audience. Understanding and focusing your target audience, the culture, the perception is one of the effective shaping your brand identity. So, organize your company around the desired identity. So, importante talaga na i-align mo yung structure ng company mo with the brand promises. Kasi, mas naanabig yung consistency sa consumers mo kung na-align siya sa mga brand promises nyo. So, number 4 is don't be afraid to revise. So, as the time goes by, it's evolved over time na ang company nyo is nag-grow. So, dapat open ka sa pag-adapt ng or pag-revise kung kinakailangan talaga, di ba? In case na kailangan mo mag-revise, so dapat open ka sa mga ganun. So, branding is significant in marketing for several reasons. It establishes your company with an industry. So, na-establish yung kumpanya nyo sa industry. Kasi kadalasan talaga nami-misconcept ng mga tao yung brand from branding. Iba yun. Kasi yung brand kasi, sabi niya is everything. But that not it's a product, hindi siya logo, hindi siya slogan lang. Ang brand kasi is more on interaction or yung ano ka sa interaction mo sa mga audience mo, sa beliefs nila, sa perceptions nila. And then, while branding is, ito yung act of managing those beliefs, those perceptions in consistently manner. Dapat consistent yung dating sa mga audience or sa mga consumers mo. Isa yun sa branding. So, it conveys your company's purpose and the value it offers to consumers. So, ito, syempre, layunin, yung company talaga, may layunin talaga kayo. At mahalaga yun, mahalaga na alam ng company nyo kung ano yung purpose or ano yung layunin nyo sa mga consumers nyo. It increases company's awareness and attract new customers. So, of course, mas nakaka-active, mas pag-aware sila sa company or sa brand nyo or sa product nyo, syempre, mas nakaka-attract nyo ng customers, diba? Kasi mas madaming bibili or mas madaming kung alam nila kung ano yung product or aware sila kung ano yung company nyo. So, it reminds existing customers of your products and services. So, syempre, naalala ng mga customers yung mga good products or ano yung product at good services na na-offer ng company nyo. So, for example, ang Coca-Cola company, kasi isa yun sa mga big company na until now nag-exist pa rin. Billions ang mga kita nila, billions na yung yung sales nila every day or sabihin natin every week, billions na yung nila. So, there are two essential components of a good brand. So, first is the logo. So, kung napapansin nyo, yung logo ng Coca-Cola company is kulay red. Kulay red siya, tapos may mga bubbles siya. Kulay red siya. So, sabi dito, ang visual representation of the company, the logo typically includes specific color, shapes, or images that reflect the company's identity. So, yung logo ng Coca-Cola is, di ba, Coca-Cola, tapos may mga may mga parang nag-spark na na pag nakita mo talaga is ay nakakauhaw, gustong-gusto mo talaga uminom. So, isa siya sa mga nag-represents kung ano yung company nyo. Then, the slogan. So, sa Coca-Cola na, yung slogan nila is one word lang yun. Kasi brief, clear message that communicates the company's value and helps establish an emotional connection with consumers. Sa slogan, ang naano ko sa Coca-Cola is yung enjoy. Enjoy Coca-Cola. So, kadalasan sa mga advertisement nila, sa mga patalastas nila, di ba, yung mga tao na umiinom ng Coke is masaya lang talaga, nag-e-enjoy talaga sila. And then, pag na-remember mo or naaalala mo yung childhood mo, kasi yan, doon na yung Coke eh. Parang mas na-reminisce mo yung mga childhood memories mo through drinking the Coke, diba? So, mas may emotional connection siya sa bawat consumer, sa bawat customers na nakakainom nito. So, isa din siya sa mga makakatulong na mas mabigyan ng values ang companies. So, that's all, ma'am. Thank you.